MSGCU is here to answer your questions and champion your financial goals. Today, we'll talk about planning and saving for big purchases. It's one thing to save up for a new pair of shoes or a TV. But what if your goal is a new car, a wedding, or a tropical vacation? MSGCU financial expert Alex is here to help you save for that big purchase.
First, you need a budget. List all the expenses you absolutely have to pay for, like rent, food, utilities, phone, and so on. Then subtract it from your monthly income to see where you stand. Next, determine how much you need for your goal. Divide the total by the number of months you have to save, and you'll know how much to save each month. Create a special savings account just for this goal and name it accordingly. Then have the monthly savings amount automatically transferred to this account. To squeeze more savings out of your budget, become a detective. Track how much you spend on eating out, entertainment, and other non-essentials. Can you trim this spending to save more? MSGCU can help you with this step. We'll go over your expenses with you to find savings and see if you can get lower interest rates on credit cards and loans to save you more. Next, take advantage of windfalls, both big and small. A bonus at work, a tax refund, or even a $20 bill you find in an old jacket. Instead of splurging, put that money toward your goal. If you keep your goal top of mind and get creative, you'll be surprised how fast you can reach it.
You can find more savings help on our website, including blogs, workshops, accounts, and more. See the links below. Or connect with our team online, by phone, or at any MSGCU branch and ask a financial champion.